Hey guys, it's Courtney Lynn here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys along today as I clean out the interior of my car. So first, let's take a close look at all of this mess going on in here. It has been a good long while since the inside of my car has been cleaned, so it's definitely time for a good freshening up. And with most restaurants still being closed in California, we have resorted to eating in our cars so much more than normal, and that has really taken a big toll on my car. One thing I want to talk about today are the two floor mats I have in the driver and passenger sides of my car. These are WeatherTech mats, and I was given these when I got my first car, which was a small Kia, and then I transferred them over to this new Chrysler. And for those of you who don't know exactly what WeatherTech mats are, they are custom-made floor mats for your car. So they fit like a glove, your carpet can stay free from dirt, crumbs, liquid, all that stuff. So the mats I have in right now are made for a Kia, and they don't fit like they should in my Chrysler. So I went ahead and bit the bullet and ordered all new WeatherTech mats, including the backseat floorboard mat, which I didn't have before in this car. So I'll be unboxing those in today's video. This video is not sponsored by WeatherTech. I'm just simply sharing my purchase with you all because I love these mats. To explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it all figured out. So first things first, just removing all of the trash that was stuffed everywhere, felt like in my car, and also taking in anything that needed to be taken back into the house or given to other people. You know how that is. You put something in your car to take to someone and you end up leaving it in there for 6 months, and that's kind of how my car was getting, especially in the trunk. So I'm just using the same soapy water and brush that I used to wash my car before I started filming this video, and then I'm going to rinse them off and let them dry while I finish the rest of the inside of the car. So as you can see, those WeatherTech mats were not the right size, and they didn't do their job because they did not keep hardly any of the dirt or crumbs and stuff in the edges of my floorboards. It was terrible, and those are almost the hardest part to keep clean, you know, hard part to vacuum and get all the crumbs out of those areas. So we just got this little duster. I think we got it at Ross, but it has a Velcro, so it's a removable cloth that you can wash. And so I'm just using that to go through everything and get the majority of the dust before I wipe it all down. So the cleaner that I'm using today on all of the interior of my car, besides the windows, is this Armor All Protectant Spray and also the Armor All Wipes. As you can see, it kind of leaves a little bit more of like an oily residue after you wipe it down, but I follow through with a microfiber cloth and it pulls that oil off and it leaves it nice and shiny, and it looks really sharp after I've done that. Here I'm taking our shop vac to the center console, and I'm vacuuming out all of these little crevices, and then I'm going to spray it down with this Armor All spray. And I tried to film some of the things that I like to keep in my car to show you guys and give you an idea. But the footage didn't turn out exactly how I had thought in my head, and it just didn't work out the best. So I ended up taking most of it out. But I thought I would just tell you guys exactly what I like to keep in the center console. Of course, number one is I like to keep some snacks in there because you never know when you're gonna need some sugar, and you never know when you're gonna get hungry, at least for me. So I keep like some granola bars. I even have like some leftover KFC cookies. I don't know, so random. Just little things like that. And then I have a power inverter. I keep this in my car just in case if I need to work on my laptop or if someone else needs to plug their phone in. It works really good and it gives your phone a fast charge. So I keep a small cosmetic bag in the front of the center console, and I didn't get this on film, but I keep some hand lotion in there, some face lotion, some more hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works, some cough drops, an eyelash curler, a little compact mirror, just smaller things like that for on the go. So as I talked about earlier, I'm just using this microfiber cloth to go back through over everything, and it collects any dust if I've missed it, and it also helps that Armor All protectant spray to look amazing. I keep an extra pair of sunglasses in the sunglass holder, and then also an extra pair in the center console because I'm always taking my sunglasses in the house and forgetting them when I come out. So I keep 2 pairs just in case.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up. And I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop.
So I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner on all of the windows, and this is the same exact Sprayway glass cleaner that we use for all of the mirrors in our home, also the windows. But I won't be using it on the windshield today because I felt like it gave it a slight glare last time that I used it, and I didn't want that to interfere with my driving at night. Here I'm using this same Armor All spray that I've used everywhere else and a different rag, and I'm getting all of the dirt that's in the frame of the door.
I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So
once everything was wiped down, I went ahead and took our shop vac and I'm vacuuming all of the seats and the floorboards, and as you can see, my seats are super bad. They have stains all over them. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I know I tried to do some sort of a baking soda paste this last summer on it, and it did not turn out good, and I feel like I haven't been able to get it out completely, and it just leaves my seats looking really bad. So I'm going to be using a different solution today, and hopefully that will get it all out.
Now, I am on my way. I won't slow down.
So I found this random part in our garage, and it is a pet brush like roller to an old vacuum that we used to have, and we kept this part for some reason. So I attached it right onto the vacuum that I was using, and it worked really, really good. I felt like it got a deeper clean in the carpet, and it had the little moving bristles on it, so I felt like it picked up more in the carpet. And then I got this skinny attachment, and I'm using that to get in all of the smaller crevices, especially under the seats and in between the seat and the door. So this is what I'm using to clean all of my seats today, hoping that it will take out any stains. And spoiler alert, it worked. And it worked really, really good. So I'm just using water and like a small amount of dish soap. And I just shook it together in that spray bottle, and I'm spraying it all over the seats until it was pretty much covered all over the seats, especially on the bad spots. And then I'm just gonna wipe it down with this rag that has a little bit of some grit to it. It's more of like a dish rag. Okay, now it's time to open up these WeatherTech mats. I'm so excited to put these in my car. I love these things, and I know that I'll love them even more when they're the perfect fit. So as I put them in, you'll be able to tell how much they just fill in the gaps so good. And they are made, you know, if you spilled a drink or something, it will contain it all in these mats because the edges are kind of curved upward, so it will keep it all in that area. Which is a plus for me because I feel like I'm always spilling something with my clumsy self. It seems like the WeatherTech website has custom mats for like every car imaginable, but they also have some pretty cool accessories and stuff for your car. They also have like a trunk custom mat, which I didn't get, but they have things like that and some cool accessories that you guys can get for your car as well. And go check out their website. I will link that below. So as you can see in the carpet of my trunk, I tried to use the baking soda last summer, the same stuff that I used on my seats, and it seemed to work good and clean out the seats and the carpet really well. But the baking soda seems to still be in the carpet and the seats, and that's why it still keeps coming up white. So that's why I'm going to be taking this water and I'm just spraying it all over. It's the water and soap solution, and I'm just spraying it all in the car and then scrubbing it down, and that seemed to work wonders. So a few things that I like to keep in the trunk of my car. I have a sunshade, some umbrellas, and then I have this little container that I'm putting all of my grocery bags into to organize them a little bit better. A few other things that I have in my trunk is a set of jumper cables, and then this little black plastic thing. It slips over the steering wheel and it makes a little table for if you're eating or you're doing work on your laptop in your car. And then in this little container I have some smaller cleaning supplies, the duster and stuff that I used, and then also these little scent holders from Bath & Body Works. Alright guys, take a look at those brand new WeatherTech mats and how perfectly they fit into my car. I am so happy with how they look and the fact that they're going to be easy to keep clean, and I won't have to worry about vacuuming the carpet as much because I know that those are protecting my carpet from most of the dirt and liquid and crumbs and things like that. Well guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. I hope that you feel motivated, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss out on another video. I'll see you guys next time.